Oh, what do we have here? Woman turns her first shift at McDonald's into criminal charges.
What's going on? Get on the ground now!
Damn.
On this ride along, a woman forgets to remove the tag from her shirt. An officer has a question.
Why is she running away, dude?
And another walks through some shrubbery.
What the hell?
On July 5th in Bradenton, Florida, an officer went to a McDonald's, but not for a hamburger.
Hey, real quick, what's going on? Were you waiting on your check or something?
No.
No? Did you used to work here or anything?
No.
No?
Just saying, talk to me.
No.
But she had worked there for a day.
Yep.
Sunday,
Her first day.
her first day.
Yep.
No, you need to hang out right here because they called us and said there was some sort of dispute going on.
Hell no.
So you can't go, you need to stay here, okay?
Why?
You can't leave because we have to investigate the
What dispute?
dispute. I exactly. There's one of me,
Come on,
and
let's go
there's
see,
3
let's go
or
see.
4 people. Yeah, let's walk back inside and go see.
Come on, let's go.
For context, the dispute was
The drawer was short $500. Was anybody else working the drawer that day, or was that just her? Just her.
I'm sorry, I'm still sick. This lady got the goddamn tag on the back of her shirt. Oh my God. Wow. You can't be this slow, bro.
Did you call? What's
What's the problem?
like I said, I just got here, so I don't know.
Where's the manager? What's going on?
Hi.
Hi. So we have her on video stealing $500 from you.
Damn.
Okay, so
That's when she got that new outfit from Marshall's. Okay.
there's the allegation.
I didn't take nothing.
Okay. So what we have to do is we have to hang on and figure it out. Okay. That's all. Okay.
I mean, y'all ain't got no lawyer if you stealing from McDonald's.
We got free
So
will.
yeah,
Hold on, sir. Hold on. First of all, we have free will. You're a sheriff, right?
Yes.
She's making an allegation.
exactly.
You can't force us to stay nowhere. I'm finna go call my lawyer.
You can go. She has to stay here.
How?
Yes,
She's not detained.
because yes, she is.
not
She is.
detained.
Yes, she is.
Oh,
Hey.
she is not. She can leave.
Hey,
sir.
listen.
She
No,
is not
she can't.
detained. She's making an allegation.
51. Can I get some units here? Probably one of
That's
these.
crazy, bro.
He said he could leave, but not hers. Yeah. Hey, I'm going to jail.
Take it off.
What?
She needs to stay here.
Why though? Why?
Listen, you're gonna obstruct. Are you gonna obstruct this investigation?
Yeah. He is.
She can't stay here. Why is she running away, dude? Stop, sheriff's office.
I knew she was stealing from Marshall's. In walking distance.
Where'd she go? Stop, sheriff's office. Stop. Stop. Get on the ground now.
This lady got to be dumber than a box of rocks.
Get on the ground now. Give me the channel for a second. Get on the floor now. I'm gonna tase you.
I did nothing
Put your
wrong.
hands behind your back.
I did nothing wrong.
I just went 1031 on foot. We're in front of Marshall's.
Where my old man at?
I don't know.
I did nothing wrong.
If I was your old man, I would have got up out of there. You hear me? I would have got up out of there fast.
Stop.
I'm just gonna get outside.
Stop.
That's it. I'm not gonna run.
No, you're not gonna go anywhere.
Where's my old man at?
All right, 2M61. I have 1 detained. Clear signal 100. I just need 1 more unit priority, please.
Where my old man at? Please. I did nothing wrong. Can I stand up at least?
Stop.
I just want to stand up, please.
You're not gonna run away.
I'm not gonna run, but I
Yeah,
did
you just
nothing
did run.
wrong.
You just did run. Okay?
I'm sorry about that.
Okay, why? But why?
Because she's lying on
All right,
me.
hold on. Let me make these more comfortable.
Okay.
Asshole.
My old man at?
like the channel. Subscribing helps keep this narrator fully caffeinated.
Where my old man at? I need to call my old
Shoes.
man. I need to call my old
Okay, we're gonna get there. Yeah, 2M61. I have another male subject that's pretty irate in front of McDonald's who's gonna be related to her.
Where my old man at?
Sit down.
Okay.
I don't know where he went. Sit down.
Okay, sir, calm down. Just calm down. But I did
But you
nothing
don't run
wrong.
from us.
I did nothing wrong.
Okay?
After a bit, her old man would wander over.
Hey, stay over there. Don't come over here.
Hey, call Pitman.
No, stand over there.
Hey, call Pitman.
Stand over there. Stand over there. Don't walk over here.
He about to get himself arrested too.
How is he related to you?
That's my old man.
Okay, does he used to work at McDonald's too?
No.
Okay, all right.
This statement was actually true.
Was that other gentleman in the red hat involved in all? I mean, besides standing in the door so I couldn't run after her, but...
Came up here. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
He's not involved at all.
Okay. All right, 2M61. He's walking away towards the Paradise Bay shopping center sign. The next unit that comes 97, we need to go ahead and secure him for now. So far.
He hasn't done nothing wrong.
Well, we're gonna figure that out because he obstructed me.
No, don't
We
do
can clear
that.
signal
Don't do
100.
that. He did nothing.
He got in my way when I was trying to come and.
I apologize. Don't do that to him. Don't do it to him, please.
Okay.
It wouldn't be long before another officer arrived on scene.
I was just with my girl. I ain't do nothing wrong. I was just with my girl trying to help out. That was all. I was on the phone with her just now.
You guys arguing or something?
Hell no. She went there and I brought her there, give her a check. They accused her of something. She worked there. And
Where, McDonald's?
they accused her of something. Something like the officer saying, hey, y'all just stay here. I'm like, hey, I don't gotta stay. I'm not doing that. I brought her up here.
Okay.
Walk this way.
Okay. Well, just not do me like that. I'm sorry.
Do you like what? You ran from
I
me.
said I was sorry, okay?
Okay, all right, you were sorry.
Oh, just cut my shoe.
Well, I'm in front of McDonald's. The other male suspect is in front of the liquor store, Fairmont liquor store.
He pulled up. We walking out, and he's like, hey, hold on. Did you used to work here? And she's like, yeah. And then we walked back in there. The manager came
Is it
out.
trying to trespass her or something, maybe?
I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. What does McDonald's want to do with her?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
I really don't know.
You stop pulling on me like that.
Oh, I have to hold on to you because you ran from me. You just did.
My feet are burning, sir.
You gotta let them just burn.
So the officer, my girl leave out and just go to running and
She ran? For what?
I don't know, bro. All I know is when I came around, I see him got her. So I'm like, hey man, don't, he like, no, don't come up closer. So I didn't come closer.
I think it's a big misunderstanding.
Yeah, I don't know why you ran out on me, sir. I ain't do that. I ain't do shit.
I'll be on splash and that's
Sit down.
Just dumb and dumber.
More officers would arrive on scene, but like all the napkins at the bottom of a fast food bag, they weren't really needed. The officer with Mr. Red Hat then radioed over to see what was going on.
One only 61 to meet at McDonald's. Do you need this guy for anything?
54. As long as he doesn't come back over here while we're doing our investigation, we can cut him loose.
He didn't come back, leaving his lady friend behind.
Open? Yeah.
Shit, I would have left her ass too. I ain't about to go to jail for you.
Coach, what's that? Not really. She just didn't want to go to jail. Yeah, I want to. Not good.
Can you step out of her?
Over $500?
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You're fine. So she's in custody. I just need to talk to whoever called.
It's me. I called.
Okay.
So I already made the report,
Okay.
and I sent she put her hand in here over 5 times. So you'll watch as she takes the money from the customer, and then you'll see.
Is there a way you could send that to me? Have
I
you already sent it?
this when I went down there because she
Okay.
had left that day when they counted down the
Okay.
door. But it's a total of 500 in total for that day.
They're over there. She's talking. What? He's walked behind me. He stepped on me.
Oh, okay, where are they?
Gravy 11. 1098. Keep falling or something.
Over there. What kind of shoes are they?
Flip flops.
Okay.
I wouldn't have got them shits.
That was you.
60 for you. And are you doing 65 for the night?
Because we've made the sandals a bit of a cliffhanger, we wanted to show you that the officers did in fact find them.
Oh man, what she got charged with?
She would plead no contest. The officer charged her with petty theft and resisting without violence.
What a
She would
dumbass.
plead no contest to the charges several months later and be sentenced to 6 months probation and be required to complete the ARC program. However, the court would later modify the sentence to just sending her to jail for 15 days, maybe due to an issue with completing the ARC.
Shaking my head.
She was also ordered to pay McDonald's restitution of $499. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
McDonald's petty for that shit. But thank you guys for all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. So don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share as well. And that's it, baby. We out. Shit. I can't think.